Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to bulk set discount prices on Wix products in our Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website, and then for example, I have like an anniversary of the store coming up and I want to have like a store-wide sale for my items. So we can do that as well by bulk setting the discount prices. So what we will do is we will go to the dashboard of our Wix website, and then we'll be redirected here. And then from here, we will click on the catalog section in the sidebar and go to products. And then from here, if you want to have like a sale for all of the items that you have in your shop, so you'll just select this box right here. And it will automatically select all the products that you have. And then from here, you will click on the more actions right here on this side, and then click on it. And then we can set the sale price. For example, we want to have like a 40% discount on all of the products. We can just click on apply. And then we can now see that we have our discounts already applied automatically in all of our products. And then what if we cancel this? So we can just set it to 0. And then click on apply, and then it will automatically go back into the original price. And then for example, you want to only select specific products, you can do that as well. So for example, I want to select the first 5 products only, and then click on more actions and then set the sale price. And then for example, I want to have 10%, and I can do that as well. But what if there's another way in categorizing our items? So for example, I will just make this into 0% again. And then what we can do is we can click on the filter button, and then we can search by category name. And then from here, we already have 2 categories. So for example, I have a category that I want to apply the 50%. And then we just go back here, and then we can automatically apply the sale price by just doing the same thing and making this into 50%. And then what if you don't want to use the filter icon? If you have different items or like different categories available, so what you can do is, for example, I already have this filtered for the sale 50 category. And then we can also use the different views in our page right here. So for example, I will save this as a new view, and I will just name it sale 50 as well. And then I can now filter the other category again, and then like sale 25, and then I will make this as a new view. And then we can also make another view, like for example, for the digital products only. And then we will create a new view for this. And then once we cancel our filter, we can choose the different items right here from the manage views. So click on this, and then click on sale 25, and then it will bring us to the sale 25 category. And for example, I will click on digital, and then it will bring us to the digital products category. And then for sale 50, and then it will bring us to the sale 50 category. So you can use different features right here in order to make setting up discounts in your items more easier. And for example, I will just apply the sale right here again. And then for the digital products, I'll do the same. And then I'll make this 10%. And then once we go back to all of the products, we now have our respected discounts that we just applied into the specific products that we selected. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned how to set bulk discounts in your Wix products. And thank you for watching.